how to delete contact on iPhone. In this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete a contact on your iPhone. So go ahead and open your contact. When you open your contact guys, go ahead and select, for example, we want to delete this contact here, and go ahead and select it. When you select it, as you can see, when you scroll down, you won't be seeing any delete icon here. I hope in the nearest future Apple will add that to their upgrade at least. But since it's not here guys, where can you find it? So go ahead and click on where it says edit just above your screen. When you click on edit guys, I want you to scroll down to the end part. So keep scrolling. So at the end part, you can see where it says delete contact. Just click on delete. When you click on delete, you can go ahead and delete contact. So you can follow this same step and do it on. So you can use the call icon to delete the contact. So you can use this to delete the contact. So you can follow the same step. Just go ahead and click on the name. When you click on the name, click on where it says edit. When you click on where it says edit, scroll down to the last part and click on where it says delete. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.